G'day everybody. I walked into the workshop office this morning and fired up the computer and, well, I nearly dropped my coffee. We just hit 1,000 subscribers. To be honest with you, when I started this channel a few weeks back, my wife said to me, "Tim, who on earth wants to listen to some old bloke waffle on about passwords and hard drives?" I told her, well, maybe 10 or 20 blokes who are sick of being treated like idiots by the tech companies. Turns out I was wrong. There's 1,000 of us, and counting. Now, I've been reading the comments. The vast majority are nice and very supportive, so thank you to everyone who's made comment. And what I'm seeing isn't just people looking for tech tips. I'm seeing people who are tired of feeling vulnerable. I'm seeing blokes, men and women, who suddenly feel like the world has moved on without them just because they don't know what the cloud is. Well, this 1,000 number proves something very important. We aren't Luddites. We aren't scared of the future. We just want the tools to work for us, not against us. So I want to say a massive thank you to everybody, whether you're here because you want to lock down your passwords, or you want to set up your digital legacy, or you just like seeing some old bloke gripe about Windows 11. I appreciate you pulling up a stool at the table. You lot are the founding members. You were here before the fancy editing, before any sponsors arrived, before the algorithms even knew who we were. You built this, and we're just getting started. I've got a list as long as my arm of things we need to fix. Scams, privacy, hardware, crypto. We're going to solve all of it one video at a time. If you're watching this and you haven't subscribed yet, come on in. The door is open, the kettle is on, and there's plenty of room at the table. Right, enough sentimental stuff. I've got to get back to work. Oh, and if there are any particular subjects you want me to talk about, tell me in the comments below. And if I know enough about it to talk about it, you can bet I will. Thanks again, and stay safe. Bye for now.